In the Fire and Rescue Department, our #1 goal is to try to prevent the 911 call. And the focus of wellness in our community is on completing the file of life, which is this item right here. And the file of life really identifies any medications possibly an individual has taken, any medical history they may have. And what that does is, if in fact you can't communicate with the providers that get on the scene and there's no one else around, they can go to a location inside the house, pick this up, and get medications and get medical history real quick, because that makes a huge difference in the outcome of how we treat, care, and transport someone that called 911.
So this kind of information is really, really critical. This will save lives. And I appreciate the fact that our fire and rescue troops are focusing on prevention.
Basically, our firefighters and paramedics and officers are out every Saturday afternoon doing safety in our community in each of the residential communities here in Fairfax. We have smoke alarms that we're installing, doing home safety checks. The second is, any resident of Fairfax County can contact the local fire station and either come by or we'll come out, complete a file of life. The third is, we're going to be visiting each one of the fire station's first due areas, all of our senior residential living centers, as well as facilities, and engaging with each one of the seniors there and completing a file of life and updating. So those are really the three ways that we're going to connect with the community, in particular our seniors. It's important that every one of the residents of Fairfax County and those that pass through its boundaries know that each one of these items can save your life. A working smoke alarm and a completed file of life is so important. If you want more information, please visit us online or contact one of our local fire and rescue department stations.